19th, 2010. On June 16th, I had a hearing at the Swift County Courthouse with Judge David Mennis on the eviction notice of my property. I went into that courthouse, and at that time, I arrested Judge David Mennis for obstruction of justice under 629.37. Well, he kept proceeding with the court case, and he would not submit to arrest. The plaintiff for Freddie Mac, ULMANIEC, attorney, refused to help out in the arrest. She knew I placed him under arrest, and she did nothing about it. So she helped in the resisting of arrest for the judge. As far as I'm concerned, that's criminal. They went through with their game plan, and I'm just curious if Tara Jo called up Freddie Mac and told him what happened. If she let him know that the judge was arrested under statute 629.37. I highly doubt it. She's part of the criminal activity, you know, the cover-up for the smear campaign for Judge John Stashol's crimes against me. It's one judge after another in this 8th Judicial Circuit doing a lot of covering up. So Chief Judge Paul Nelson's involved. And I forewarned Tara about the criminal activity, and she seemed like she didn't care. She's above the law, just like the judges think they're above the law. You know, Sheriff Holtz, he's going to teach you men about showing their ID. Is this going to be common practice, not to show their identification when they're asked? Are they going to run away when asked questions? Is this common practice for our elected officials to teach your men? I don't know if you should be sheriff, chief deputy, whatever you want to be called. But if this is what you're going to teach your men, not to show ID and run away and hide from the questions, well, you're as criminal as the judge is. Why didn't your bailiff arrest the judge? Help me in the arrest of the judge. I placed him under arrest, so you guys don't want to follow the rules anymore. Well, we're going to just keep going along. We're going to keep getting our message out on YouTube how criminal you are. You don't want to follow the rules, we'll keep exposing you. So, and right now, must be very criminal because it's Saturday. Still in my house. I guess Judge Mennis' signature, it don't mean nothing because he's under arrest. Null and void, Judge Mennis. You better just resign from your court duties. You're as criminal as John Stashel. You should resign too, John Stashel, you crook. So, whatever you guys got to do, so be it. But I'm going to keep fighting and fighting and fighting and exposing you for the crooks you are. When you want to decide to talk and follow the law, maybe I'll let off on you, but I highly doubt it. So, that's all I got to really say right at the moment. So, you people have a good day. Enjoy. Watch these crooked cops. They're professional liars. They turn the truth around. The judges are worse than the cops, so be careful of them even more. Have a good day.